In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam and add funds to your account in just 5 minutes. Steam is an online platform where you can buy and play games, interact with other gamers, and customize your gaming experience. One of the key aspects of using Steam effectively is managing your account funds, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First things first, if you haven't already, open your Steam app. It should be easily accessible on your desktop or through your start menu. Once you have the app open, locate the login option. When you click on login, you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Make sure you have these details at your fingertips. It's essential to ensure accuracy to avoid any login issues. If this is your first time, you might want to double check your credentials to ensure they're correctly entered. After filling in your details, click on Sign In. This will take you to your Steam homepage, which is your central hub for everything related to Steam, from browsing games to checking updates and accessing your profile. Now let's navigate to adding funds. Head over to your profile by clicking on it, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're viewing your profile, look for an option called Account Details. This section provides you with a comprehensive overview of your account settings, purchases, and, crucially, your Steam wallet balance. To add funds to your Steam wallet, click on the plus Add Funds to your Steam wallet button. This is where you'll be able to choose how much money you want to add. Upon clicking, you'll see a button labeled Add Funds. Click it and you'll be redirected to a page where you can select a payment method. Steam provides various options such as credit cards, PayPal, and more to make the process as convenient for you as possible. Choose the method that best suits you and continue. After selecting your payment method, it's time to enter your billing information. This step is crucial for ensuring that your transaction processes smoothly. Double check all the information you enter to avoid any errors. When everything looks good, click Continue to proceed. And that's it, you've successfully added funds to your Steam wallet, allowing you to explore a wide array of games and content on the platform. Remember, managing your Steam account wisely can enhance your gaming experience, making it easier for you to keep track of spending and stay within your gaming budget. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.